You did say the
United Kingdom's new trade envoy to the Philippines, Richard Graham, talks to CNN Philippines. Graham says British investors have renewed interest in doing business in the country. This despite the hesitation by some European businesses due to the rise in reported extrajudicial killings.
Well, I think the trading relations between the Philippines and the UK will continue to develop, they'll continue to grow.
Graham is expecting total British exports to the Philippines to grow by 10 to 15% next year. As of 2015, exports are at around 38 billion pesos, up 28% from the previous year. Graham adds more British investors are coming in next year, especially in the manufacturing and food industry. This is partly due to President Duterte's desire to further liberalize the economy.
He made it clear to me that the rule of law is very important.
The British will also help improve the country's infrastructure. Graham says traffic remains the primary concern for investors.
If you've got a business that's exporting, you need to be able to get things logistically from A to B as fast as possible.
The trade envoy admits that a sound human rights situation in the country must always be maintained.
But human rights is obviously very important to every nation, and I know that's true of the Philippines as well as the UK.
Trade Secretary Ramon Lopez assures the country's economic agreements will not be affected by the rise in drug-related killings. This after the Human Rights Commission said the country's trade incentives from the European Union might be affected.
You know, that's beyond me, di ba? On their evaluation. What I'm just saying is that they look at it pragmatically, what is really working.
Lopez hopes the EU will be fair when it evaluates the country before the year ends. Rex Remitio, CNN, Philippines.